Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome. Today we're going to be doing Suryanamaskara or sun salutations. So we'll begin the session by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight, chin parallel. Palms come to rest on the thighs. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale through your mouth, slowly close your eyes. Again, inhale, create length. Exhale. Just letting your whole body go heavy on the mat. One more breath in. Completely breathe out. Swing your legs to one side. Come onto your knees and palms. Engage your toes. Knees come off the mat. Back is flat. Hover. 3, 2, 1. Send your seat back. Bend your right knee, straighten the left. Bend your left knee, straighten the right. Widen your legs out. Moving, shifting weight to your left and your right. So, shifting your weight to your right palm, right foot. Raise left palm, left foot. Raise your heels. Nice stretch to your toes. Drop it down. Again, 2 and 1. From here, drop your knees. Interlace your fingers. Just circle at your wrist. 3, 2, 1. And the other way. 2 and 1. Stretch your hands out up towards the ceiling. Breathe out. Bring it down. Nice stretch there to your wrist. Interlace fingers, palms towards the ceiling and bring it down. Stretch your wrist out. 2 and 1. Palms come back on the mat. Knees come off. Now very slowly pull that navel in. Engaging, walk your feet to the top end of your mat. Halfway lift. Ardha Hastasana. Breathe out. Pada Hastasana. Press into the earth. Inhale. Come up. Interlace your fingers and stretch. Raise your heels up. 2 and 1. Drop it down. Roll your shoulders towards your ears. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. From here, we'll begin with our first sun salutations. Press your feet into the mat. Hands come in front of your thigh. Inhale. Arch your back, pushing your pelvis forward. Breathe out. Pada Hastasana. Breathe in. Step your right leg back. Drop your knee. Left knee stacked over your left ankle. Look up. Ashwasanchalasana. Palms come to the mat. Step back. Come to plank. Chaturanga Dandasana. Drop your knees. Hips towards your heel. Forehead towards the mat. Shashankasana. Pull your elbows in here. Very slowly lower your chest. If not, come on to your, I'll show you one way is going down like this. If this is hard, rest on your belly. Press your toes, press your knees. Belly comes off, rest your chest. Palms, 8 points. Bhujangasana. See that your shoulders are away from your ears. Press your toes into the mat. Parvatasana. Again, drop your knees. You can bring it closer or wider. Shankasana. Now, bring your right leg between your palm. Ashwasanchalasana. Padahastasana. Breathe in, arch your back. Breathe out, still. Now, as you breathe in, coordinating your breath with your movement. That's really important. Breathe in, help us stay present with our practice. Breathe out, Padahastasana. Breathe in. This time, we're going to lead with our left leg back, right knee stacks on a right ankle. Nice opening in the front of your left thigh, where your thigh joins your torso. As you breathe out, step that leg back. Plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale and exhale. Drop your knees. Sit back and stretch. Shashankasana, normal breathing in and out. Now you can come to lie down on your belly. Then press your toes. Seat off the mat. Chest, chin, palms. Rest. Again, drop. Bhujangasana. From here, Parvatasana. Completely exhale. Drop your knees. Normal breath in and out. Bring your left leg between your palms. Ashvasanchalasana, gaze forward. Padahastasana. Inhale, up. Exhale, sthiti. Now, if you're going to 2 more rounds, breathe in, arch. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, just flowing through the whole thing. Right leg back, Ashvasanchalasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. We're going to hold this, engaging our abdomen. 3, 2, and 1. Keep breathing in and out. You're not holding your breath. 1 big inhalation. Full exhalation. Bring your knees together. Yeah. Ashtanga Namaskara, your choice, however you want to go. Bhujangasana, breathe in. Parvatasana, breathe out. Knees back, sit back and stretch. Shashankasana. Right leg between your palm. Ashvasanchalasana. Padahastasana. Inhale, exhale, sthiti. Go again. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Step your left leg back. Ashvasanchalasana. Come to your plank. Chaturanga Dandasana. Drop your knees. Sit back and stretch. Shashankasana. Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Shashankasana. Left leg between your palm. Ashvasanchalasana. Padahastasana. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, sthiti. From here, we're going to inhale, hands come up. Exhale, hinge, fold forward, step back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Breathe in, completely breathe out. Shift your heels to the right side. Reach your right hand up towards the ceiling. See that you're not letting your seat push towards the mat. Hold. 2, 1. Back again. The other side. 2. Keeping it engaged. Widen your legs. Trying to bring the crown of the head in the direction of the mat. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Drop your knees wide. Sit back and stretch. Shashankasana. See that you're bring your forehead to rest. Belly comes to rest in the space between your thighs. Inhale. Come up. Breathe out. Step between your palms. Inhale. Slowly come up. Exhale. Namaskara Mudra. Now again, breath in. Hands come up. Breathe out. Forward fold. Step back. Come to Chaturanga Dandasana. Breathe in. Breathe out. Drop. Raise your hands up. Exhale. Drop to the other side. We're not holding here. Reach. Drop. Drop your knees. Come to line. Bhujangasana. Lift, come to plank. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana or your Parvatasana. Again, plank, drop your knees, rest your belly. Breathe in, Bhujangasana. Press your toes, pull the belly up, send your seat back, Parvatasana. Raise your heel, back to plank, then go all the way down. Inhale, up, last one, press, lift, and down. Drop your knees wide, big toes to touch, rest here. Breathe in, completely breathe out. 2 and 1. Release, step between your palms. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale. Now, one more round. We're going to combine everything together. Breathe in, hands come up. Breathe out, fold forward. Step back. Nice and strong plank. Drop, inhale, reach up. Exhale, down. Breathe in, reach up. Exhale, down. Drop your knees. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Engage, push the plank up and Parvatasana. From here, step. Inhale, up. Exhale, Sthiti. Shake your legs out. Slowly come down to sitting. And from here, you're going to hug your knees, come down to lying. Inhale. Point and flex your toes, circle at your ankle, cross at your ankle, grab and pull your foot. Pressing your thighs to your abdomen. The other side. Release your legs to either side of the mat. Hands come to rest on your belly. Close your eyes. Letting your body soften with every breath. Just taking this moment to pause and rest. Softening your breath. Noticing the warmth spread all through your body. One more deep breath in. Completely exhale. Hands come to rest next to you. We take one more deep breath in and chant one round of Om, noticing the vibrations all through our body. Inhale. As you exhale, Om. Bring the legs together. Turn over to your right side and slowly come up to sitting. You can continue to keep your eyes closed. Just taking all this warmth and energy that you've generated through your practice with you throughout your day. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video is going to help somebody you know, please share. Namaste.